Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok app. So today we will show you how to make collections on TikTok. Let's go to this application and 1 minute please about these collections options. So this feature can help you to navigate between your saved TikToks. So if you want to create some folders with your saved TikToks and you want to create this collection option, let's choose some TikTok as an example. So I will go to our official account, HardReset.Info, to choose one of this TikTok as an example. Maybe it will be this one. So to save this TikTok and to add this TikTok to some, for example, new or old collection, let's tap on the saved button. As you can see, this button is located on the right side of the screen, so I need to tap on it one time and choose the manage options option, which will appear on the notification. So let's click on it one time. And as you can see here, we have 3 different collections. But we will create a new one after tapping on the first option on the list. So let's pick on it. And here on the bar we can set a name and title of our new collection. So as an example, it will be Hard Reset. Okay, so to save this collection, let's tap on the Save key here. Wait a minute, and as you can see here, we have the alert that this TikTok was smoothly and successfully added to the collection. So let's check it. We need to tap on the arrow at the top of the screen to go to our profile page and to check our saved TikTok, our saved collection. So how to do this? To go to the first of all, we need to go to the whole saved TikToks list. Let's tap on the third icon we can find on the top bar of the profile page. And right now we will be at the first step. We will be on the videos section here to check all of the saved TikToks, but we need to tap on the collections one here, the top 2. And right now we can check all of the created collections of our TikToks. So as you can see, this is our new one, Hard Reset. Let's pick on it one time to check all of the added TikToks here. You can smoothly manage this collection and how to add another TikTok to this collection. How to do this? So I will show you this process again. So as an example, I will choose this TikTok. And right now I will add this TikTok to our newly created collections that we created before. So let's tap on the saved key again, on the manage option, and later let's choose our collection that we want. It will be this one, Hard Reset. So let's pick on it one time. And as you can see, we have added our TikTok to this collection. Let's go. I will refresh our collections list after swiping our profile page to the bottom. Later, let's pick on this collection one time. And as you can see right now, we have 2 different TikToks that we added to this collection successfully. So guys, right now you know how to work with this option, and we hope that this video was useful and needful. Don't forget about likes and of course subscribe to our HardReset.Info YouTube and TikTok channels. Bye bye!